All right, welcome to another deep dive. Today we're tackling something pretty huge,
Yeah.
growing a YouTube channel specifically focused on tech and AI content.
Big topic.
It is, and thankfully, you came prepared with a whole stack of sources for us to
Yeah, I did.
dive into.
Yes.
We're on a mission here
We are.
to help our listener extract the best growth strategy, so, getting those subscribers and views and ultimately making an impact, right, in
Yeah.
this wild world of tech and AI.
Yeah, and what's cool is these sources are pretty practical.
Yeah.
They actually give real-world examples of AI tools and stuff, which I know is
Yeah.
going to be super helpful for our listener who wants to put this knowledge to use right away.
Exactly.
Not just theory,
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So let's jump in. What really stood out to you when you were looking through this material?
Well, a lot of people think it's just about making great videos, right?
Mm-hmm.
But all these sources, they emphasize that it's not enough.
Yeah.
It's about understanding YouTube as its own thing. Like it's an ecosystem.
So
It's
yes.
got its own rhythms and patterns,
So it's not just about creating the content, it's about strategically
Yeah.
placing it.
Almost like planting a seed in the right spot, right?
Yes, so that it can flourish.
Exactly. And one of the big things, they all hit on is niching down.
Niching down.
Yeah, don't try to be everything to everyone, right?
Right.
You got to carve out your own space in this massive tech and AI world.
Okay.
So instead of just being like tech stuff, think practical AI tools for developers or deep learning demystified, laser focus.
Oh, I see.
You attract a dedicated audience that way.
Yeah, and it makes sense, right? It's like, would you rather
Yeah.
be a small fish in a big pond or a big fish in a small pond?
Totally. And I think choosing the right niche is even more important in tech and AI because it moves so fast.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Right. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow,
Yeah.
One source even said that channels that cover trending topics do really well. Think about it, ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, all that buzz.
Yeah.
People want to stay on top of that stuff,
Right.
That's where the views are.
So you got to ride that wave.
You gotta. So yeah, finding that sweet spot, where your passion and your expertise line up with what people are actually searching for right now.
Okay, so we found our niche.
Yeah.
We're on top of the trends. Now we've got to think about how we're actually presenting this content, right?
Content formats.
Yeah, what's going to keep people engaged, coming back for more?
And these sources had some great tips.
Okay.
Forget those boring talking head videos. It's about tutorials, showing people how to actually use TensorFlow or imagine project builds, where viewers build a chatbot from scratch.
Okay, so it's like hands-on almost.
Exactly. Or even news updates, breaking down those complex AI breakthroughs in a way that anyone can understand. Real value, you know?
So you're empowering them with knowledge and tools, not just passively informing them.
Yeah, give them the keys to the kingdom, so to speak.
But creating great content is just half the battle.
It is.
How do we make sure that those awesome videos actually get seen, right? Because YouTube is like this massive ocean of content.
Yeah, it's a jungle out there, man. That's where YouTube SEO comes in.
Oh, yes. SEO, the dreaded acronym.
Search engine optimization, the secret sauce.
Okay, so tell me more about this secret sauce, this YouTube SEO.
Basically, it's about speaking YouTube's language, right? So it knows who to show your videos to.
Okay, and how do we speak YouTube's language?
Keywords, my friend, keywords.
Right.
What are people actually typing into the search bar when they're looking for content like yours?
Okay, so if I'm creating a beginner tutorial on AI,
Yep.
I need to make sure I'm using keywords like...
Right, like beginner AI tutorial 2024 in your title, in your description, everywhere.
Okay, yeah, so it's not just about being creative
Right.
with the title. It's about making sure that YouTube can understand what this video is about.
Exactly. You got to be specific, use the language your audience is using, so when they search, boom, you pop up.
Okay, so we've got keywords down.
Mm-hmm.
What about the visual element, the thumbnail?
The thumbnail.
Right.
That's your storefront, man. It's the first thing people see.
Yep.
So it's got to be eye-catching, right? Imagine two videos, one with a boring thumbnail, the other with bold text screaming, "I built an AI app in 10 minutes."
Yeah, I'm definitely clicking on that second one.
You see, it's about grabbing attention, sparking curiosity, making people want to click.
It's like a hook.
Exactly.
Man.
Hook, line, and sinker, baby. But then you got to keep them engaged, right?
Oh, yeah.
Once they click, how do you keep them watching? Playlists, my friend. Playlists.
Okay. Tell me more.
It's like a multi-course meal, right?
Okay.
You wouldn't serve your dinner guests just one dish and call it a night.
Yeah, there'd be a sad dinner party.
Right. So imagine you're creating a series like Machine Learning Basics. You organize those videos into a playlist, right?
Mm-hmm.
It encourages viewers to watch one after another.
It's like a learning path.
Exactly. Plus, YouTube loves it. Longer watch time, you know?
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
It tells the algorithm, hey, this content is good, keep promoting it. And speaking of making your content accessible,
Yes.
captions and transcripts, man, those are key.
Yeah, often overlooked.
Right. But think about it. Not everyone can watch videos with sound.
Absolutely. So it's about accessibility.
Yeah, plus transcripts help YouTube understand what your videos are about so they can recommend them to the right people.
Right. It's a win-win.
Total win-win.
Right.
So we've got content creation, optimization, playlists.
Mm-hmm. What else? There's got to be more.
We've got to be consistent, right?
Oh, consistency. Yeah, that's key in any content creation game.
Right. Think about your favorite YouTubers. They probably upload on a schedule.
Yeah, it's like they're reliable.
Yeah.
You always know when to expect something new.
Exactly. And it's not just about uploading. It's about consistent quality, too.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's better to upload one amazing video a week than 5 mediocre ones.
Yeah, I get it. Quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity, but with a rhythm.
Yeah, so your audience stays engaged.
Right. They know what to expect. But then we've got to move beyond just being a content creator, right? We've got to build a community.
Yeah. Okay, how do we do that?
Engagement, man.
Engagement. Okay.
Think of it like a party.
Okay.
Would you go to a party where the host just stands in the corner and doesn't talk to anyone?
That would be a pretty awkward party.
Right. So on YouTube, you're the host.
I like that analogy.
Your viewers are your guests. You got to interact, make them feel welcome, show them you care.
So it's about fostering a two-way conversation.
Yeah. Reply to comments, even a simple thanks for watching goes a long way.
Right. It shows you're listening, that you value their input.
Exactly. Use polls, Q&A features.
Yeah.
Get people talking.
Mm-hmm. Like actually engage.
Even better, host live Q&A sessions. Interact with your audience in real time.
Oh, I like that. And then you can repurpose that content.
Exactly. Multi-pronged approach.
Yeah. Maximize that impact.
Yeah.
And speaking of reaching a wider audience, one of the sources talked about collaboration, which I think is so important.
Collaboration is huge. You know what they say? If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
Yeah, I love that.
Imagine teaming up with another tech creator,
Yeah.
like a joint coding challenge or a discussion about, a hot AI topic.
So you're like cross-pollinating your audiences.
Exactly. You tap into their viewers, they tap into yours.
Okay, so we've got great content. We're optimizing it for search.
Mm-hmm.
We're engaging with our community. Are we missing anything?
Don't forget about promotion, my friend.
Yes, promotion, getting the word out.
That's your megaphone, man, broadcasting your message to the world. You got to get creative. TikTok, Instagram Reels, all that good stuff.
Okay, so we're thinking beyond YouTube.
Exactly. Take a snippet from your latest tutorial, turn it into a short, catchy clip, use relevant hashtags, like hashtag AI, hashtag tech tips, stuff like that.
Okay, so meeting your audience where they are.
Yeah, wherever they are, you got to go to them. But there's an art to it, right?
Oh, there is.
You don't want to be spammy. You got to provide genuine value.
Right, like actually contribute to the community.
Right. Reddit, Hacker News, those are gold mines.
Right.
Share insightful comments, participate in discussions, become a valuable member of the community.
So people see you as a thought leader.
Exactly, not just some random spammer.
Right.
And speaking of building relationships, don't forget about email lists.
Email lists, yeah.
A lot of people overlook this,
Right.
but it's powerful stuff. Offer a free resource like a checklist of top 10 AI tools in exchange for an email.
Okay, so you're giving value up front.
You are. And then you can nurture that relationship over time.
Turn viewers into subscribers.
Exactly. It's all about connection, man. But, okay, we've got content, SEO, engagement, promotion, email lists. It's a lot, right?
It is a lot. How do we keep track of all this? How do we know what's working?
Analytics, my friend.
Oh, analytics. Yes, I knew that was coming.
It's your dashboard. It tells you everything.
Okay.
Watch time, click-through rate, audience retention. You got to track those metrics.
Okay, so tell me more about these metrics. Like watch time, what is that actually telling me?
How long people are actually sticking around for your videos.
Okay, and click-through rate.
How enticing your thumbnails and titles are.
So are people actually clicking on the video?
Exactly. And audience retention, that shows you where people are dropping off, gives you clues about what's working and what needs work.
Okay, so it's like a constant feedback loop.
Yeah, you got to analyze, adjust, refine. One of the sources even talked about A/B testing.
Oh, A/B testing. Interesting. Tell me more.
Basically, you create two versions of the same video,
Okay.
like one with a 15-minute tutorial, another with a 5-minute version. See which one performs better.
It's like a science experiment almost.
It is. You're constantly experimenting, using data to improve.
So we're treating our YouTube channel like a lab.
Yeah, constantly testing and refining.
Okay, I love it. So we've learned about creating awesome content, optimizing it for search, engaging with our community, promoting it everywhere,
Mm-hmm.
analyzing data to get better. That sounds like a pretty solid plan.
It's a roadmap to success, man.
Yeah.
But at some point, you want your channel to be more than just a passion project.
Right.
You want it to be sustainable, right?
Yeah, both creatively and financially.
And thankfully, these sources had some great monetization strategies.
Okay, so tell me more about that, because I think a lot of people, they see ads on YouTube and they're like, okay, that's how YouTubers make money.
Right. But there's more to it.
So what else is there?
Well, affiliate marketing is a big one.
Yep.
Imagine you're doing a video about, like, GitHub Copilot, right?
Okay.
That AI tool for developers. You include an affiliate link in the description.
Mm-hmm.
Someone signs up using your link. You get a commission.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense, because it's something that you're already talking about in your videos. So it's a natural fit.
Right. It's authentic. You're actually recommending something you believe in.
Okay, so affiliate marketing, what else?
Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands might reach out.
Oh, so instead of just having random ads, it's actually brands that are aligned with your content.
Exactly. They want to reach your audience.
Correct.
You integrate their products or services into your videos.
So it feels more organic and valuable.
It is. It's a win-win for everyone. And then, you've got those super fans, right?
Mm-hmm.
The ones who are always there.
Yeah, your core community.
YouTube memberships, man.
Oh, YouTube memberships.
They pay a monthly fee. They get exclusive content, perks.
It's like a VIP club.
It is. You're rewarding their loyalty, giving them even more value.
Okay, so we've covered a lot.
We have.
Strategy, monetization.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's important to remember why we're doing all this, right? It's about sharing your passion for tech and AI, in this case.
Absolutely. One of the sources really stressed this.
Mm-hmm.
Finding your unique voice.
Oh, yeah, that's crucial.
It's not just churning out content.
Well,
it's about your personality, your perspective, your unique way of explaining things.
So if I'm passionate about, let's say, making AI accessible to non-coders,
Yeah.
maybe I create a series called AI for Non-Coders.
I love it.
Right, where I break down complex concepts in a way that anyone can understand.
That's your unique angle, right?
And then I got to be consistent with branding.
Yeah. Memorable intro, consistent visual style,
So think about the thumbnails, the graphics, the overall tone of the channel.
It's all got to feel cohesive.
Right, it's got to feel authentic to you, but also professional.
Exactly. So we've covered so much.
We have.
Content strategy, SEO, community building, promotion, analytics, monetization, finding your voice. It's a lot, right?
It is a lot, but I think the big takeaway is that it's a journey, not a destination.
Right. It's an ongoing process. And actually, you know what helped me really grasp all this?
I like that.
The source had some killer video ideas, like examples.
Oh, I love examples.
Yeah, it made everything click.
So tell me about these examples.
Well, one that really caught my eye was build your first AI model in 10 minutes. I mean, who wouldn't want to click on that?
Yeah, tell me more about it.
It's that classic tutorial format, perfect for beginners who want to get hands-on with AI, but, like, maybe they're a little intimidated,
Right, it feels very accessible.
Yeah. And who doesn't love instant gratification, right?
Yeah.
10 minutes, you've built an AI model, boom.
Yeah, it's like you're giving him a quick win.
Exactly. And think about it. AI model, 10 minutes, those are keywords, baby.
Right, so it's hitting all those SEO points.
It is. It's attracting viewers. It's providing value. It's optimized for search.
I'm sold. Okay, what's the next one?
The next one is OpenAI's Sora, the future of video.
Ooh, I like that one.
Right. It's tapping into the buzz.
Mm-hmm. It's time.
It is. It's about Sora, this new AI video generator from OpenAI. It's sparking a debate,
It's thought-provoking.
Yeah, like, what does this mean for the future of video?
And it positions you as someone who's on the cutting edge.
You are. You're curating the conversation,
Yeah.
People want those insights, and this video promises to deliver.
Okay, I'm hooked. Give me one more.
Last but not least, I automated my life with AI. Here's how. This one is all about storytelling.
Okay.
Instead of just talking about AI, abstractly, it's like this personal journey.
Mm-hmm.
Here's how I'm actually using AI to improve my life.
I love that.
It's relatable.
It is, and it subtly shows your expertise, right?
You've mastered AI to the point where you can automate your life. People are going to be like, how did they do that?
Yeah, what tools did they use?
Right. It's a natural conversation starter.
It's a hook, and then you can, like, share your process.
You're inviting people into your world, empowering them.
Okay, so these examples, they're more than just catchy titles.
Oh, they're frameworks.
We're like blueprints for how to apply all these concepts that we've been talking about.
Exactly. Niche, trending topics, engaging formats, SEO, promotion.
It's all coming together.
It is. And they're inspiration for your own YouTube journey.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've talked about these ideas.
We have.
We've analyzed them, but now we want to hear from you.
What do you think?
Out of these 3 video ideas, build your first AI model in 10 minutes. Is OpenAI's Sora the future of video? And I automated my life with AI. Here's how. Which one sparks your interest the most and why?
What makes you want to click that play button?
Is it the quick win, the cutting-edge technology, the personal transformation story? What is it?
Because ultimately, YouTube's success is about understanding your audience.
What do they want?
What makes them tick?
Yeah.
What makes them engage?
So, as you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, and I know you are, what's your unique angle going to be?
What's your niche?
What sets you apart?
What makes you?
What's your special sauce?
Because in this crowded world of YouTube, you got to stand out.
You got to shine.
You got to be you.
Yeah.
So think about it.
What's your story?
Yeah. Would you dive into like the ethics of AI?
Oh, interesting.
All those questions about bias and algorithms and stuff. Or maybe you'd be the one who like breaks down all the complicated technical stuff and makes AI like easy for anyone to understand.
Right, almost like translating it.
Exactly. There's so much potential in this field,
Yeah, the possibilities really are endless.
They are. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets what's missing out there,
Yeah, finding your place in the YouTube landscape.
Right. And everything we've talked about today, it's all about giving you the tools to succeed, from content to SEO to community, even branding. It's about being strategic.
Approaching YouTube with a plan.
Yeah, understanding how it works.
Like we've given you the treasure map.
And now it's your turn to go on the adventure.
Discover your own hidden gems.
And share them with the world.
Maybe you'll be the next YouTube star. Who knows?
You never know. Inspiring people with your tech and AI knowledge.
Until next time.
Keep exploring.
Keep learning.
And keep diving deep.
Yeah. What's your unique story? What are you going to bring to the table?
What's that one thing that makes you different, Because that's what people are going to connect with.
Absolutely. It's all about authenticity and I guess finding that thing that makes you stand out in the crowd.
It is. And, even if you're not sure what that is yet, it's okay. You'll discover it along the way.
Yeah, it's all part of the journey, right?
Totally. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being passionate.
Yeah, it's about sharing your love for tech and AI.
And connecting with people who share that same passion.
Exactly. So to all our listeners out there who are thinking about starting their own YouTube channel,
yeah,
don't be afraid to take that leap.
Jump in.
Dive in.
The water's fine.
Experiment, have fun, and most importantly,
be yourself.
Yeah, be yourself. Until next time.
Keep on learning.
Keep on growing.
And keep diving deep.